Watching a hummingbird hover among flowers is one of the most magical moments any gardener can experience. Many people rely on feeders alone, but the truth is that hummingbirds evolved alongside flowering plants long before backyard feeders ever existed. The right flowers provide not only nectar, but also shelter, insects for protein, and a natural environment that encourages them to return year after year. Today, we're sharing 7 beautiful flowers that hummingbirds often prefer over feeders, and the reasons these remarkable little birds keep coming back to them every season. Let's begin. Bee balm is one of the most reliable plants for attracting hummingbirds. Its bright red, pink, and purple blooms produce abundant nectar throughout the summer months. The tubular shape of the flowers perfectly matches a hummingbird's long beak and tongue. Once established, bee balm returns every year and spreads naturally, creating larger displays that become even more attractive over time. It also attracts bees and butterflies, turning an ordinary garden into a lively ecosystem filled with pollinators. If you want one perennial that almost guarantees hummingbird visits, bee balm deserves a place near the top of your list. The nickname alone tells you everything. Hummingbird mint is famous for drawing hummingbirds from remarkable distances. Its tall spikes of nectar-rich flowers bloom continuously through the hottest parts of summer, providing a dependable food source when many other plants begin to fade. Agastache is drought-tolerant, easy to maintain, and available in shades of lavender, coral, orange, and pink. Gardeners often notice hummingbirds returning to the same Agastache plants day after day. The long blooming season gives these tiny birds a reason to stay nearby throughout the summer. Few plants work harder for hummingbirds than Salvia. With its elegant flower spikes and rich nectar supply, Salvia creates a natural feeding station that remains productive for months. Red varieties are especially attractive, but hummingbirds also visit purple, blue, and pink cultivars. One of the greatest advantages of Salvia is its extended flowering period. Regular deadheading encourages even more blooms, ensuring a constant source of nectar during the growing season. For gardeners seeking dependable color and dependable wildlife activity, Salvia offers both. Columbine plays a special role in the hummingbird calendar. It blooms early in spring, often just as migrating hummingbirds arrive after long journeys. Those first flowers can provide critical energy when food sources are still limited. The delicate, lantern-like blossoms are naturally designed for hummingbirds. Their long spurs hold nectar deep inside, rewarding birds that have evolved specifically to access it. Planting Columbine helps create an early welcome for hummingbirds returning each year. It is one of the first signs that spring has truly arrived. Cardinal Flower produces some of the most striking red blooms in the garden, and hummingbirds absolutely notice them. Bright red tubular flowers stand tall above surrounding foliage, acting almost like natural beacons. These plants thrive in moist locations and continue blooming well into late summer. Native to many parts of North America, cardinal flowers support local ecosystems while providing an abundant nectar source. For gardeners hoping to create a truly wildlife-friendly landscape, this native perennial is an outstanding choice. Butterfly bush earns its reputation by attracting far more than butterflies. Hummingbirds regularly visit its large clusters of fragrant flowers, especially during peak summer months. The extended blooming period means nectar remains available for weeks, sometimes even months. Purple varieties are particularly popular, though white and pink selections also perform well. When planted alongside other nectar plants, butterfly bushes help create a continuous buffet that encourages hummingbirds to stay in the area. A garden filled with movement, color, and pollinators often begins with plants like these. For shaded patios and hanging baskets, few plants rival Fuchsia. Its elegant dangling flowers seem almost tailor-made for hummingbirds. The birds hover effortlessly beneath the blossoms, collecting nectar from flower after flower. Fuchsias perform beautifully in cooler conditions and provide excellent opportunities for gardeners with limited sunny space. Even a small balcony can become a hummingbird destination with the right containers. Sometimes, attracting wildlife is not about having a large garden. It's about offering the right plants in the right places. Feeders may bring hummingbirds into your yard, but flowers give them a reason to stay. By planting a variety of nectar-rich blooms that flower from spring through late summer, you create a natural habitat that supports these incredible birds throughout their journey. The best gardens are not simply beautiful to look at, they become living ecosystems filled with movement, color, and life.